Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. 7. Likes and dislikes. There was a very interesting story in this morning's newspaper about a man who had just received an inheritance of $1 million. The newspaper account was quite detailed. It said the man behaves very strangely. What others like, he dislikes, and what most people enjoy, he doesn't care for. For example, most people enjoy summer weather when they can wear lightweight clothes. No one else would think of wearing a long coat and a hat on a hot day, but he does. He says he can't stand the sun, but he'll take long walks in the rain without a raincoat or an umbrella. He's extremely particular about selecting the correct tie to wear with his suit, but it doesn't bother him if his shirt is dirty or his suit isn't pressed. He always sees the negative side of everything. He finds fault with the best movie of the year, but stays awake until 2 a.m. watching very old movies on television. Even his taste in food is peculiar. He drinks warm water and cold tea, eats raw eggs and can't stand fresh fruit. Last week his uncle died and left him the $1 million. Perhaps the uncle was rather odd, too. Or maybe he knew about his nephew's strange preferences, one of them, anyway, and decided to try to cure him. In his will, the old man insisted that the nephew spend half the inheritance within the next 5 years. If he didn't, the money would be given to a university. Everyone is anxious to know what the nephew will do. You see, he likes to buy things, but he hates to spend money. Answer the following questions. 1. What are some of the strange preferences of the man in the story? 2. What happened last week? 3. What did the uncle insist on in his will? 4. Why do you suppose the uncle wrote his will in this way? 5. Do you think the nephew will spend half the money in the next 5 years? 6. What would you buy if you had to spend $500,000 in 5 years?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.